Stop chasing. Listen, it's Marcel, aka Honey Bunny Sunny, and y'all know I'm on a mission to make you some money. Okay, listen, today, before I get into the video, I just want you to hit the subscribe button, the like button. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers because we keep providing this heat. Okay, if you have not subscribed, right, if you have not went and watched the watch list for Sunday, you possibly missed out on a life-changing play, which was right on that watch list that I posted yesterday, NVDA. Okay, specifically I said if there was some sort of catalyst to NVDA, it would activate the reverse head and shoulders, and that's precisely what it did. Right, once it broke the level, it was going to take off. Now, it's not necessarily too late to get in this play, but it may take a little bit of time because it could break out even further before it comes back and retests the neckline. Okay, it's broken the neckline. It can continue to take off to try to find its next resistance, but because it's going above highs, it's possible that it continues until it reaches some level of exhaustion. Right, we don't know exactly when that's going to be. Okay, so shout out to everybody that got in that. If you're not subscribed, you want to be subscribed so you're not missing these free plays each and every Sunday. You're not missing this free game that I'm giving every single day. Okay, if you need a community to lock into, you want to do this trading thing collectively, join the Prosperity Collective. Right, you don't need to be trading on your own. You need the support, you need the family, you need the friends, you need people to bounce questions off of that's not going to leave you on red. Right, you need some sort of understanding as you're studying and putting the hours in. That's going to help you become profitable. It's something that I wish that I had. So me and my boy Zay, we went and built it. Right, the Prosperity Collective is in the description. Hit the link below. Listen, October 1st, we go up on those prices. So you want to make sure that you're in there. All right, now back to it. NVIDIA, I took the 10/17 expirations, right? So we got 3-week expiration contracts, and this is how it performed. 50% on that play that was on the watch list. Again, y'all, make sure you are subscribed so that you do not miss these kinds of plays. Like when I post the title, like make 8,000, make 5, I'm not just saying that randomly, right? I'm saying these plays are going to double. I'm putting plays on the watch list that are going to make major moves, right? First day into the week, one has already done 50% on 3-week out contracts, honoring exactly how I said it was going to play out. All right, it's time to lock in. Remember, invest smart, live free. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.